Hello everyone, I am Deborah, bringing you another low-carb recipe that you can use whether you're following a low-carb diet or not. Thank you guys so very much for being here. Now that you are, if not just subscribe to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And remember to give this video a like and a share. That's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content and they will continue to spread it around. So yes, you guys, another delicious low carb recipe that nobody would know the difference that it is low carb because it is that delicious, you guys. And today I am bringing you a cheese sauce. Now this is a sauce that I use in a chimichanga recipe. Absolutely delicious. I was inspired to make that particular recipe by a video I saw about Cottage Cheese, and I decided to come back to you guys and show you exclusively the cheese sauce that I put together because I put it together using a secret ingredient that has been showing up recently in a lot of my recipes, that being, you guys, this cottage cheese. Absolutely phenomenal is this, and again, it is working in a lot of my recipes. So queso style cheese dip that I'm going to be showing you guys is so very simple. I've got here in front of me 4 ingredients: water, sodium citrate, the cottage cheese, and some cheddar cheese. So join me over at the stove and I will show you how to put it all together. Okay everyone, we're going to start with adding our water to our pot, followed by this sodium citrate. Go ahead and blend that in until it dissolves. And I purchased this off of Amazon, and I will leave the link in my description. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Okay. That has dissolved. Next, we are going to add in this cottage cheese. I forgot to mention that sodium citrate, it acts as an emulsifier, and it's going to hold all of these ingredients together even after it cools. If you ever had a cheese sauce that separates after it cools or after it is refrigerated, this will prevent it from separating. Absolutely love this. And again, that was a tip that I found from Papa G's recipe. Love, love, love you two guys because it is a platform for sharing. Absolutely love that. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix this together. You see how this cottage cheese and this water is just blending beautifully together? Oh, and another thing I forgot to mention, make sure that you take that cottage cheese and blend it, whether it be with a stick blender or a NutriBullet, until it is smooth and creamy, kind of like a Greek yogurt. You don't want to start with it in its natural format being curds. You want it nice and smooth and creamy. Look at that, you guys. That looks beautiful. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and add in our cheese. Supposed to be a little at a time, you guys. I got ahead of myself. Okay, so let's go ahead and blend, blend, blend. Okay, you guys, most of that cheddar cheese made it to this cream sauce. I will not tell you where some of it went. That'll be our secret. But this is ready. I'm telling you guys, I didn't time it, but I know that was a matter of just what? At most 5 minutes. That's how long it took to put this cheese sauce together. And look at the consistency. Nice, smooth, creamy. And this is perfect for our recipes. Okay. I'm going to take this off the stove. Join me over at the counter, and I will show you the end product. All right, guys, and here it is. Our delicious, easy cheese sauce. Okay. And here we have it, you guys. A nice, smooth, silky cheese sauce that came together in a matter of minutes. Lord, I thank you. Let's give this stuff a taste. I should have gotten a smaller spoon, but you know what? Don't judge. You have got to give this a try, you guys. Again, this is one of these low carb recipes that everyone will enjoy, whether or not you are following a low carb diet or not, because it is that delicious. And another thing, you guys, you can do is that you can add some additional ingredients to this. This is just a base recipe, which is fabulous all by itself. But get creative with it. Make it your own kind of special by adding things such as jalapenos if you like a little heat in your recipes, or you can do some chopped tomatoes or some cumin, other seasonings that you may like. Again, just make it your own kind of special. And as you see here, again, low carb, not low carb, but the main ingredient is this cheese sauce that everybody can enjoy. Thank you guys so very much for being here. And again, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, the subscribe button is there, the lower right side of your screen. Please do hit it and become a part of my YouTube journey. And remember to give this video a like and a share. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you, and enjoy.